How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a jammed thumb, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I've jammed my thumb before, I've jammed my pinky before. What you want to do is you want to follow a method called the RICE method. It stands for rest, ice, compression, elevation. There is another thing I want to talk about. I'll go over those 4 things. Make sure you watch the end of the video because this next one is the last tip I'm going to give you is very, very important. So the RICE, obviously, the R stands for rest. Super important. You want to try to limit what you're doing with your thumb so you can allow it to recover. The ice, obviously put ice on it. My hamstrings were sore today. I did some squats, some Romanian deadlifts yesterday. My hamstrings were so sore. I put some ice on in the morning. They feel 10 times better. Ice is so overrated or so underrated. It is super, super important for getting rid of a jammed thumb, you guys. Compression. There are hand or glove compressions, compression gloves you guys can buy. It just squeezes your hand. Compression's really, really good for a jammed thumb. Elevation. When you are sitting on the couch, you're sitting at a desk, put a pillow underneath your hand. The elevation helps to increase blood flow, helps to speed up the healing process. Now, the very, very last tip I said at the start of the video is to watch out for pain levels. So what I mean by this is after you jammed your thumb, obviously it's going to hurt for about a day. After a couple of days, if there's still some pain, like a lot of pain, chances are you could have broken your thumb. Now, any type of fingers, your toes, they're very, very easy to break. You can break your thumb, you can break your toe, and for some people, you have no idea that you even did it. So I have a friend, they broke their thumb. What happened is they just left it, and if you leave it, obviously it's going to heal. Their thumb healed crooked because, again, they didn't know it was broken at the time, and what happened when they jammed it, it did move a little bit. So when it healed, the thumb was crooked. This is bad because in order to fix this, the doctors have to go and re-break the thumb and put it in the right spot and then allow it to heal again. If you can catch it early enough, then what can happen is the doctor can just move it back into place really quickly. Way less pain, in my opinion. So that's super important. Make sure if there's still pain levels after a couple of days, you go to the doctor, you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.